Today's topic is speed with direction. In last video, we discussed speed without direction. That is, that speed does not depend upon direction. It depended only on the path, that is the distance traveled by an object. Now, when we discuss speed with direction, that is called velocity. This velocity depends upon the displacement. The rate of motion of an object can be more comprehensive if we specify its direction of motion along with its speed. The quantity that specifies both these aspects is called velocity. Velocity is the speed of an object moving in definite direction. When the object is moving in a particular direction, then that speed is named as velocity. The velocity of an object can be uniform or variable. If the object is moving with uniform velocity, then it is uniform. If the velocity is varying, then it is variable velocity. Now, because the velocity depends upon magnitude and direction, then velocity can change or vary when the magnitude changes, and also velocity can vary when the direction changes. It can be changed by changing the object's speed, direction, or motion, or both. Means either the speed is changing or the direction is changing, or both, that is speed and direction, are changing. Then we say that the velocity is variable velocity. When an object is moving along a straight line at a variable speed, we can express the magnitude of its rate of motion in terms of average velocity. It is calculated in same way as we calculated average speed. In case the velocity of the object is changing at a uniform rate, when the velocity is changing uniformly, then the average velocity is given by arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity. When the velocity is changing uniformly, then the average velocity is given by the formula initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. This is the arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity. Now see here, this initial velocity is given by small u, and final velocity is represented by small v. And here VAV means average velocity. Here AV is written and it is V. This VAV is equal to U plus V divided by 2. U is the initial velocity and this is the final velocity. Here VAV is the average velocity, U is initial velocity, V is the final velocity of the object. Speed and velocity have same units because speed was distance upon time. You can see here, see, what is speed? Speed is distance upon time. Now, what are the units for distance? Distance is measured in meters, kilometers, and here the standard units for distance are meter, and time in seconds. Then the units for speed is meter per second. Now we discuss about velocity. Now what is velocity? Velocity is displacement upon time. We have already discussed about distance and displacement. Displacement depends upon the direction also. Velocity also depends upon the direction. Distance does not depend upon direction. It depends only on the path traveled. Speed does not depend upon the direction. Now velocity is displacement upon time. Displacement is measured in meters, time in seconds. Then again the units for velocity is meter per second. Now that was the discussion about speed and velocity.